Is ChatGPT not working properly? Whether it's stuck loading, refusing to respond, showing an error, or freezing during a conversation, there are several things you can try. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT not working in 2026. So let's get started. First, check the OpenAI status page to see if ChatGPT is experiencing a service outage. If there's a known incident, you may need to wait until the service is restored. Even if the status page shows normal operation, individual users can sometimes experience problems. Next, refresh the ChatGPT webpage or restart the desktop or mobile app. If a specific conversation is stuck, try starting a new chat and sending your prompt again. Yeah, a fresh conversation can sometimes resolve problems with a long or unresponsive chat. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or try another network to see whether the connection is causing the problem. I mean, if ChatGPT works on another network, your original connection may be the source of the issue. If ChatGPT is still not working, clear your browser's cache and cookies. You can also open ChatGPT in an incognito or private window and temporarily disable browser extensions, especially privacy or security tools. Take a moment to test ChatGPT after each change so you can identify what's causing the problem. Now try ChatGPT in a different browser, on another device, or through the mobile app. If it works somewhere else, the issue is likely specific to your original browser, device, or network. This is a useful way to narrow down the cause without changing too many settings at once. If the problem continues, sign out of ChatGPT and sign back in. If ChatGPT still doesn't work across different browsers, devices, or networks, contact OpenAI support and provide details about the error and the troubleshooting steps you've already tried. So you've successfully learned how to troubleshoot ChatGPT when it's not working, and that's how to fix ChatGPT when it's not working. Start by checking the service status, then refresh the app, check your connection, clear browser data, disable extensions, and test another browser or device. I mean, working through these steps one at a time can help you quickly identify whether the problem is with ChatGPT or your local setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.